Hi everybody, this is Reba, and I didn't get a chance to get my workout in at the Y. So some unexpected situations came about this week where it kept me from going into the Y. So I like to go in there and walk my treadmill and get that work in and come out. Just the view of it being inside because it's cold now, and with the weather being cold like it is, and it will not allow me to get out. But today it's cold, but it's not cold. uh, you still gotta dress appropriate to be able to keep your warmth, where you're not freezing um, while you're getting your exercise in. But today I want to talk to you about things that happen in life where unexpected things, um, things that you can't control. Um, you can't get upset and make it where other people be involved, especially if it's personal. You just have to get into it, figure it out, because there's more than one way to handle a situation, especially when it requires patience and intelligence. Intelligence. You know, if you rule with a ignorant frame of mind, like the old saying go, you can catch more bees with honey than you can vinegar. So um, when it comes down to dealing with, I got my little dog with me. Come on, Louie. Louie Chewy. But when it comes down to dealing with life situations, um, it's this trail I'm walking. You walk it twice, it's like uh, 2 miles. And I try to get at least 3 miles in when I do during the summer. Nice scenery. But you got to handle life situations with intelligence. Uh, like the old saying go, like I said, you can catch more bees with honey than you can with vinegar. And I tell you, people nowadays, they want to step to you in disrespect. But in order to get respect, you got to give it. I don't care if it's a child. You got to show that child respect. How you expect to get respect from a child or a young teenager, young adult, if you don't give it? But we're about to walk this steep hill now. Yeah, I feel it. Oh my goodness. It's coming. Oh, it's coming. Oh, you know, look at Louie. He loves it. Louie. 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 Hi, say hi, Louie. Say hi. That's my baby there. But yeah, when you have unexpected situations that comes up and you have to deal with it. You have to deal with situations, man, problem solving. That's what they call it. Oh, excuse me, everybody. But this here, oh, I can feel it. Oh my God, nature. But guess what? I didn't get it in yesterday because I had some unexpected, an unexpected situation that occurred. So I had to put on my big girl panties and go in and deal with it. But this is here. Be like on top of the hill. Ooh, this is the top of the hill. Oh my goodness. Oh, I normally, ooh, when you miss a day of not a, come on up. When you miss a day of not working out, this is the view of the trail.
Good then.
This is the view of the trail. Now, I'm going back down here. I'm going back down here. So, but anyway, look at Louis. He loves to run. He stretch his legs. He's been inside for a couple of days. He finally get a chance to come out and run and stretch his legs. Look at my Poote. Hey, Poote. That Mama Poote. That Mama boy. That's Mama's boy. See, he got his little jacket on. Say hi, Poote. Poote. But anyway, this is the view that going back down. But other than that, you know, that's the view. This is the hill that I had climbed. So now I'm about to go back down the hill. So, but anyway, this is Reba coming to you with a shout out saying that you know, be kind to someone and like and subscribe. Hit that like button. This Reba. I'm out.